Hello crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. Woo! Guys, I am in heaven right now playing with this paper. I have so many projects going on, but I stopped and I immediately wanted to make something Halloween-y with this new paper collection that ScrapDiva Designs just put out. It's called Boo-Tiful Night and it is the absolute cutest. It matches a lot of her Halloween dies, which I need to go back and pull out, but because I just wanted to make something super fun and quick and just kind of get a vibe for these papers, because I sometimes do need to, you know, become one with the paper. No, I'm kidding. I'm such a dork. I'm kidding. I just wanted to make something right away, so I couldn't, you know, go dig out the old ones from, they're not even old, you guys, they're like 2 months. Anyways, let's jump in. So first of all, there is 3 packs of ephemera and they are so cute. But you know what, check this little doll out. It matches this plate. How cute is this? I am definitely going to make a loaded paper project, paper plate project I should say, because it is too good to pass it up. Look at this little girl, she matches my witch plate. So I will definitely be putting something together, so stay tuned, because you know what, Halloween is still only, you know, a few days away, so I've got time. The new release is going to be available November 1st, but the papers are available now. I'll link them in the description box. This, I can't imagine it not selling out. It is so cute. I've seen a lot of the girls already playing with it. I think it was Tiff who I saw make the cutest album, and I think it stayed in my head, and so I had to also make one. Like I said, she's got 3 ephemera collections or sets that you can make something with, and then she's got these cool foam stickers. Look at this, they are so cute. This is me. I'm saying this is me. It looks like me. I have curly hair like that, and I don't have black glasses. I had black glasses, but that's me right there, little witch on a broom. And then look at these, are so cute. The poison bottle, how cute. I love this. I still need to get this set. It's sold out again. I don't know if Erica's gonna order it, but if she does, I have notifications so that I could get it. So there's 2 different foam ones. These are the chipboard stickers, so they're a little bit thicker as opposed to the foam ones, okay, because these are foam. So there's 2 different styles. And then the papers, you guys, oh my gosh, they are so good. Let me put these over here. Look at all these designs. They're double-sided and you get 24 sheets. And I'm definitely going to do something with that when I'm done. The tags are so cute. This is from last year. That is so cute. And then this is this year's. And then the ghosty. So cute. And the bat. It's a little dark. That's the only thing I noticed. Other than that, the rest of it is so good. Look at this. So cute. And then the other side is just a straight a striped pink. And then we have the pumpkin paper. This is perfect for fussy cutting them out. And look at that. Oh, I love this pattern. And the paper is like it's not shiny, and it's probably got like a 65-pound consistency, so it's a good quality. I don't think the colors on my video are doing it justice. It is a bit gloomy, or not gloomy, it's sunny, but some clouds are coming through. Look at this ghost paper, how cute. I'm sure you guys have seen this. I love this polka dot. Look at these witchies. Oh, they're so cute. So cute, with the little cauldron and the flower. And you have the black skull paper. Then you have the ghosty paper. Oh my gosh, I love it. I'm gonna go fast. Look at this. I like this stripe. So good. Here's another one. Look at this. It's got the spider in there. I like this. I think I would have liked this to have been black and white. It's more of a dull grayish looking polka dot, but I think it's going to be perfect for like a little traveler's notebook, which I think I'm going to do. Look at this. Oh, I love it. Look at that star. I love this stars. Oh my gosh, I just love it. I cut out one of the tags that had stars to add to the book. Look at this. Isn't this so cute with the coffin? Oh, look at the little broomsticks. Oh my gosh, I love it. This one I definitely cut up already. I just love the pattern with all the characters on it. Just love it. It's busy, but it's so good because you just can put a solid color on top of it if you're gonna use it. And look at this. I love this pattern. It's like orange and pinkish, dark. And then look at these little ghosties with the hat. And the back is like a scripture. So cool. And then she brought out the skull. How cool is that? Oh, this, you know what? Maybe I should make an album with the skull guy. And then the haunted houses in the back. So cute. I love it. I love it. I love it. I can't. Okay. So what I decided to do was take this little box. It's actually a box. It's a Gatorade drink mix box because my husband does a lot of cycling and he takes the drink mixes with him for his rides. And so he has all these boxes left over. And so I've been saving them and I cut it up and made just a quick little album. Super simple, nothing crazy. Look at that. I did do some stitching on it. My sewing machine was struggling, you guys. And then I added a bunch of ribbon because that's how I bind it. Instead of doing like the just a simple the seam bind, not seam binding, oh my gosh, the signature type of binding, I did something a little similar. I punch holes throughout the whole album and then just use funky ribbon to knot in different spots. And I am gonna add a charm dangle. I just need to gather my stuff. But the cover, I added the new frame collection, or it's a MDX, oh my gosh, MDC set that has frames on it, and you can create like a little cool little frame. I added some of the ephemera here, as you can see, the little witch. Of course, I put myself on the cover. I'm such a dork. Anyways, I added some little paper back there, and then I had these stickers that are from, I think they're Studio Calico. But they're like Halloween stickers that I've had since like last year or the year before. And I have like, I was going to use the pink and the Heidi Swap ones. I think I have some orange ones, but I'm going to incorporate them because I'm not done with it yet. I'm still wanting to add stuff. I'm going to keep this one, probably put some Halloween pictures in there. But I did add a little pocket here. I pulled out some washi tapes that I have because I thought it'd be cute. And look at this. I made a cute little tag. This is part of the tag sheet. I cut off that piece, and then here's the ghost that went with it. So it was kind of, you know, like this, and I just cut across, and now I have a little, you know, cute little flap there. And then here I took the little ephemera bit and I stitched all around, and I made these little pockets again with the frame. I might do a tutorial to show how I made this because it was just so simple. I think it took me like an hour or two to make. I started it last night and then embellished it today when I had some time to finish it up so I can make a video and post it on. Here's another little pocket square that I did, and I added the little bat ephemera. Isn't he so cute? I love it purple. That is so cute. I love adding the cupcake liners in there. And here I just did a little flap out so you could put your picture. I was going to put a magnet but decided against it because it's already going to be tight. I don't know how I'm going to seal it, you guys. I didn't think about that. I was just working on it. Here's another one. Look at this little washi. It's so cute. Super cute little ghosties. Here's that star paper I was telling you about. And then more ephemera. And then just a little spot for pictures. And then the back page, I decided to put the little witch in the belly band. I need to pull out my die cuts to do the word spells here because I thought it'd be cute to do that. I just haven't pulled them out, but how quick and simple is that, you guys? I just covered this up with the paper. Real simple. Punched the holes, added the eyelets, bunch of funky ribbon. So quick and simple, you guys. But I think I'm going to do another one, probably with Christmas paper, because that way I can have two books and I can show you guys how I went about putting it together. And it's super easy, nothing crazy. And you don't have to just use, you know, like these little tiny Gatorade boxes. You can use like pasta boxes, macaroni boxes, little like, you know, whatever stuff you buy at the store that comes in a small box. I just save them because they're pretty thin, but once you add the paper, it gets thin. So yeah. Anyways, if you guys want to pick up Any of this stuff, I will link it in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to use my discount code MWalker10 and check out the hashtag ScrapDiva Designs for ideas and inspiration. Bye, guys.